Hello, in this video I'll show you how to activate a new battery. The model I choose is Sparta, but this procedure will apply for all kinds of batteries. Let's open the box. Inside you'll find new screws, which I recommend to use it. This one is electrolyte. As you can see here, it contains sulfuric acid and it's very dangerous. So before doing this procedure, try to open, if you are doing inside, try to open the windows, and if you do outside, it will be okay. Since the activation will generate some gas. Keep this plastic because you'll use it later in order to put it on top of the battery. And inside we have the most important thing, the battery. This battery now it has 0 volts. Let's test it. As you can see, it's dead. If you see here AGM, this code means that this battery can withstand shocks and also can be used inclined around at the maximum 45 degrees angle. It has some fiberglass inside which protects the terminals. This code is the same. It has the same specs for Honda NT. Also, before you place your battery, try to check those details: volts, amperes, and current at starting point. Okay, so first step is peel this sticker. As you can see, those holes are sharp a little bit in order to punch this sticker. Okay. And next step is turn backside the battery. And press it harder until that plastic breaks. And after that, just wait until all the electrolyte will fill the battery. Let's do a test now. chemical effect will start, and we will see some voltage here. Let's see. As you can see, it's already having 12.5. Just wait until all the electrolyte will fill the battery. Also, you can cut the top of the plastic in order to let the air go out. As you can see, it flows way easier. Next, remove the plastic bottles. And leave it a couple of minutes so the gas can go out. You'll notice that the battery will get quite hot, but it's a normal process. And after a couple of minutes, just put the plastic covers on. But I'll wait. Now let's put the plastic cover. You have to press quite hard in order to seal, so no liquid will go outside. Okay, the voltage now is 12.7, 0.8, so it's a good voltage. But anyway, it's recommended also to use a charger for a couple of hours. Let's start it. This optimizer has a motorcycle option built in. And leave it up until you'll see around 14 volts. And after that you can change the mode to winter. But let's wait for that. As it can be seen, the voltage increased to 13.4, so it's okay. Just leave it until the voltage should be around 14. After that you can disconnect the charger. Thanks for watching and see you to the next tutorial. Bye.